Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix camera busy or camera app crash error on your Motorola Signature smartphone. First of all, open settings on your device, then go to apps menu. Here select camera, either in the recently opened apps, or if you don't see it here, go to all applications that you have on your smartphone and find camera in it. Then go to storage and cache and select clear storage. Then tap delete. And right now, that's basically it. So reopen your camera, re-add all the permissions, and now everything should work just fine. So that's it for this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.